This is the spiral math review for Monday, March 30th. We're going to do day 1. We need to write the digital time to match the clock. I'm looking at the shorthand. It's in between the 4 and the 5. It's very close to that 5. So now I look at the minute hand and I see why. The minute hand is on this side of the clock. It is getting very close to the next hour. But it is not the next hour yet. So it is not 5 o'clock yet. It is still 4 o'clock. Now for the minutes, I remember that over here at the 9 is 45. So I'm going to start counting by 5s from that number. 45 at the 9, 50, 55 at 11. So it is 4:55. Hudson took a nap after lunch. What time is he taking his nap? Okay, both hands are pointing to the 1. Okay, so my minute hand is not back here, so I know it has already turned 1 o'clock. So it is 1, and then for minutes, the 1 would be at 05. It is 1:05. Now, would that be AM or PM? This is after lunch, it said. So lunchtime is right when it turns to PM. So if it's after his lunch, it would be at PM. Okay, last week we learned about some of our shapes. I hope you remember what some of them look like. A rhombus is a shape that it's a quadrilateral and it has 4 sides. Okay, usually it could look like a diamond shape. Something like that would be a rhombus. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? Oh yes, these 2 sides are parallel and these 2 sides are parallel. Okay. Partitioning the rectangle into 5 rows and 3 columns. We have to do one number less than it says here. So if I want 5 rows, I'm only going to draw 4 lines. And they're going to go side to side. Rows are side to side like a pew in a church. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I did mine too close. Oh no. 4. Okay, mine are a little skinnier. They're actually not supposed to do that. So I'm going to erase, and I'm going to try to split mine apart a little bit better because they're supposed to be a little bit equal. Okay, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's better. Okay. 3 columns. Columns go up and down like in front of our White House. Okay, if there are 3, then that means I only need to draw 2 lines. I'm going to try to do it evenly. 1 right here and about 1 right there. Okay, now I need to find out how many boxes I made. I have 5 rows and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Do you see how there's 3 boxes in each row? They all have 3. So I'm adding the number 3 5 times. This is just like a multiplication problem. Multiplication is when you're adding the same number over and over again. We're adding 3 plus 3 again, plus 3 again, plus 3 again, plus 3 again, 5 times. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay. Circle the shape that is partitioned into equal shares. They are splitting up the shape, but are they all the same size? Look at this triangle here. Is this size the same as this size? No, that's not the same. This one's much smaller than this size. This one, are they the same, all 3 of them? Oh, they look pretty equal. This is the one that's partitioned in equal shares. Okay, we'll continue this tomorrow. I'll see the picture of your work on Friday.